that's the way I like it. I can't find the dog, I gotta search some more. Everybody's counting on me to find a way back to the other side. I think I'll slip right out the back door. No one will miss me till they get up, and by then I'll be gone. 'Cause that's the way I like it. I like to drink my beer really cold. Don't think it's ready till it's dark and nearly frozen. 'Cause that's the way I like it. Well, I can't find the dog, I gotta search some more. Everybody's counting on me to find a way back to the other side. Yourself a sharp knife, 'cause that's the way I like it. But I don't think we'll see the light of day anytime soon, I'm sure, sad to say. I think it's time that we should start to pray. I find myself going back to Home Depot. Should have bought 4 when I only needed 3. Well, the voice inside my head said, listen to me, boy. You know, I thought I measured right, length, width, and height, but still I gotta go. Going back to Home Depot. Going back to Home Depot. Going back to Home Depot. I laid them all down, all in a row, and one by one it started to grow. But when we got to the end, to Home Depot. I can't believe we didn't buy enough. While you're there, pick up a can of great stuff. You know they got everything you need up and down the shelves, 'cause everybody knows they got everything at Home Depot. Going back to Home Depot. Going back to Home Depot. I can't believe we didn't buy more, 'cause now we gotta go back to that store. They got everything you need up and down the shelves, 'cause everybody knows they got everything at Home Depot. Should've bought 8 when I only needed 7. You better hurry up, 'cause they close at 11. You know I should've measured once, should've measured twice, 'cause now we gotta go. Going back to Home Depot. Going back to Home Depot. Going back to Home Depot. Eating candy down the road, I think I hit the mother lode. Candy's falling down like rain, it was more than I could explain. Stopped at a station late one night, I was attracted to a small bright light. Getting my dollar, I hit 13, everything started falling, it was just like a dream. Hey! Candy's all around me, spilling onto the ground. I looked all around me, not a soul to be found. Left the 20, I thought it was fair, picked them all up and got the hell out of there. More candy than one man needs, I came face to face with a generous vending machine. Hey! Chips and crackers too, lots of gummies to chew. Got some sodas and pop, chocolates over the top. Never had a dollar go so far, had enough candy to fill my car. More candy than one man needs, that came face to face with that friendly vending machine. Hey! lost all sense of taste. Never had a dollar sidewalks wide every day. All around the world, you better watch where you stray. They're looking down from above while they survey, waiting for the perfect time to say, bombs away. Better not look up, better not look down. Just look around, 'cause they are watching you. When you're sitting outside having something nice to eat, next thing you know, something is pecking at your feet. Well, you look down, oh my, what do you say? 2 or 3 pigeons checking out your Nikes. Better not look up, better not look down. Just look around, 'cause they are watching you. You ever get the feeling you are being watched? On the street or maybe in the park? Well, don't worry about those strange men standing over there. Just look out for pigeons, 'cause they'll poop in your hair. Better not look up, better not look down. Just look around.